We have a 70 Dodge Challenger today, and the wipers are not working. This has a variable wiper motor on it. Here's the switch, as you can see. We can turn the key on first. They'll operate all day long, but they just stop wherever you turn the switch. And they never go back into park. Now, I already know what's wrong with this, but I'm going to show you a quick few tests that you can do. So we're going to disconnect the wiper motor, and we're just going to make sure that it actually goes into park. And how we're going to do this, these two terminals here on this side, they just get a jumper wire. This one gets the negative, and this one is a positive. And you can see we have our two terminals on the left, they are jumped, and we have our negative on the bottom terminal, which on this car is the brown wire, and we will apply power to the blue wire, and the parking should work for that motor. There we go. That one's supposed to be grounded. It has 7 volts on it currently. If we apply ground, looking underneath the dash here, we're going to touch our power probe onto the switch. With our power probe over there on the switch, try and zoom in on that, you can see we have power on the switch. If we ground it, you should be able to hear the motor move. We ran a wire from the switch bracket because this is mounted to a metal plate, but the metal plate was mounted to the plastic dash. That's why it wasn't having a ground. So we ran a ground wire. Let's see if these things work like they're supposed to. Put it in park. There they go. Ta-da! This is a 70 Dodge Challenger. It is a real Sublime Green, and it is a real 383 car, automatic, variable wipers, vinyl top. Overall, really, really nice car. It looks like I had an older restoration done to it, but it's still really great shape. Really cool car. Here's the body tag, if I can get it clearer.